What? Oh
my
no.
gosh.
What?
That don't taste right. Okay.
Harper's first MUKBANG.
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 M-U-K.
MUKBANG.
Just see. You're too tall, huh? Or no? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang.
MUKBANG.
Mukbang! Just eat a whole bunch of food and talk. Truly. Fudge. Oh.
Say hey. She hungry.
Do you want to fry? Fry. Are you good, or you need me to move it up?
Yeah, I guess. My head's like cut off.
How do you feel?
Feeling good.
Nervous. Okay. My bird.
I know which tacos is which, because I know you got
Oh yeah.
this is it.
Oh, they gave us tiny sauces. That's nice. We went to McDonald's and Fernandez. That's my taco. And John, what'd you get?
Hot and spicy, no lettuce. Same thing, but no onions.
The cheese dip at Fernandez is real good. It has jalapenos in it, so it's a little spicy. Have you ever had it? I don't know.
Finish this taco first.
I haven't had their tacos in a long time. It looks a little bit
You know what?
a little grungy. Mine does. Yours looks
Greasy.
No, really? Right, guys, how's that? Better? Got our little saucies, our little chippies.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. A little chicken nugget moment. I should have got the spicy ones. I've never actually had like a burger with tomato, lettuce, all that from McDonald's. I've just always got a little cheap cheeseburger.
Every time I get a burger, no veggies.
Gosh. I said extra onions, but I did not mean that much. I don't know if you can see that. That's a lot of onions. I mean, whatever. I like onions, but golly.
Nick. Oh, Nick.
Yeah, I'm watching the kid.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm watching the kid.
Oh, okay.
Watching the kid. He's on his phone on the couch.
Is. Oh, wait. You're not supposed to wipe your face, right? Or is that only with seafood boils?
What you mean?
Like, if you get food on your face, you're not supposed to wipe it off. I got food on my face. Yeah, you're not supposed to wipe it off. Or is that just with seafood boils? You never heard of that?
I've never heard of that. I don't know.
I don't know. Are you supposed to, like, eat with your mouth open, like? Or what do you do?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Like
I mean,
I said,
I
we're just winging it.
I watch videos, but it's usually like ASMR, and they have like the little microphone right here, and you can hear them chewing, crunching.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
First video, MUKBANG.
All right, leave in the comments, how do you say it? Mukbang or mukbang? Mukbang, mukbang. Because it's a Korean word. It's like from Korea, the whole mukbang thing. So I don't know. Wait, I'm about to try this taco.
It's good.
Should I put some cheese dip on it?
Ooh, that probably good. It's thick.
It's thick. I don't know if they can see that or not.
Fries kind of in the way.
Oh yeah, you're right.
No hot sauce. No, it's
I was
good.
gonna put that one, but I guess I'll just do this.
I'm gonna try that sausage.
It's good. Did you like the cheese and the salsa together? Real good. Or you don't do that. You don't like it?
Ooh, yeah.
It's a little
I
weak.
like that salsa better.
Mm-hmm.
Like Tola?
Mm-hmm.
So how did you find out Nick was the one?
If I'm honest, I didn't think he would ever like me because I was extra annoying.
Goofy.
Yeah, and he let me know too. Like, he just wasn't really ever.
Mm.
You're not gonna eat your sandwich? I mean, burger?
Yeah.
Or you're just waiting?
Wait.
I don't know what else to talk about. I need to go grocery shopping. That ain't happening.
That's not happening?
I mean, I might have to. Unless Mom cooks dinner, then I'm just bum off her dinner.
Why'd you stay up so late last night?
Oh, what? Mm-mm.
What? Oh,
Oh
no.
my gosh.
What?
That don't taste right. It tastes like it's, like,
Mine tastes good.
I don't know. Maybe I'll try it again. That was gross.
That was your first bite?
Yeah. I don't know if it was the grease or what, but it made the meat taste weird. You know. No, I'm telling you, man. Look at the meat.
It looks different. It don't look like mine.
Yeah,
It didn't matter.
maybe this is pork. No. I don't know. Look.
It don't look like mine.
That's what I'm saying.
It look like, what's that
Like,
stuff?
carne? No.
No, it's the
barbacoa? No.
Yes, I think it is. No.
Barbacoa's like shredded.
I
Right?
don't know. Cause I don't like barbacoa.
I mean, it smells. It doesn't smell
That's
like
what
beef.
that's what I did with the barbacoa taco. I took one bite, I had to spit that back out. I was like,
Mm-mm. Seasoned, it like tastes way too meaty.
that was a bad
Yeah,
alley
but it
cat.
don't look like yours at all.
It was a bad alley cat.
Yeah, that was nasty. All right. Well,
What?
do you want my
a
taco?
No.
You want me to save it for you?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna eat it. I stayed up late last night because I was on Amazon adding some home stuff to my home list just in case we move somewhere else. We can, don't do that. We can have some new home stuff. You know. But whatever. I don't know. I was really just bored. I should have showered.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Unless I need to.
Well, after you edit and stuff, it always gets cut down.
Yeah.
But if it's at least 10 minutes, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you get big, you start putting ads, start making that bread. Like, comment.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Press the little bell right next to it so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. And click on the thing that says all. Because when you click on the bell, you have to click where it says all or you won't get notified. I look really white right now. Earlier I took a bite of my nugget and I wanted to double dip it, but for some reason I thought we were sharing this sauce, so I didn't
Oh, no.
double dip it.
Chips and dip go hard.
It was good. It's worth the money.
$5 each. That boy is mad.
Sorry, Nick. We ain't gonna talk about it.
You hear what he said?
You ain't have to do all that.
It's crazy out here.
Pray for me.
When she gets home.
He ain't crazy, but he's crazy. Just kidding.
When she gets home.
My family's gonna see this and be like, oh my gosh. You don't want that. Oh. My burger's cold, so I'm not really liking it right now. I mean, it's decent. Mine's a little soft.
You should have to try this patty. I still haven't tried it.
What's different about it?
I don't even know. I think they said it's a quarter pounder with bacon. I think they have some extra sauce on it though.
It's nasty.
Huh? No, it's good.
You're just chilling.
Yeah. Judge me while I'm eating.
Oh yeah, so for those of you that don't know, with a mukbang, you're supposed to just talk and eat. It don't matter if you're being sloppy with it or what. So,
I'm not sloppy though.
I'll be a little bit sloppy. I'll smack it. Talking with my mouth full.
Get your man.
Big mad.
Get your man.
He's big mad.
He's hurt. She hurt his feelings. He's drinking all the water. Every dog.
Honestly, that's a little spicy. No?
Which one?
This one?
Oh, no.
Maybe it was a cheese dip. I don't know. It got a little spicy. Honestly, though, I should have just got chips and salsa.
Well, that's why I wanted to be Nick in here. So I was going to ask Nick how do you know that Alyssa was the one?
Because I knew.
How is that name?
I'll be Nick for you. Let me be Nick for you.
How'd you know Alyssa was the one?
Well, I just knew. You just know, you know?
Oh. What about them girls in high school?
Nah, what girls?
How is it being a dad?
Pretty cool.
It's okay, I let my wife do everything.
Shut up.
No, it makes a good dad.
Is Harper needs a nap. She's a little fussy. I feel like she's always fussy in my videos. But hey, I don't know. Hold on,
Wreck my car.
Or you do. Oh, wait, what did you say?
Wreck my car.
Need a
But
hug.
I'm gonna stop.
It's a struggle out here.
It's not that bad. 2,000.
I ain't gonna tell how much my first car was. 2,000.
Just need to get back and forth to work.
2,500? I don't know.
I'm gonna be chilling.
You need a truck to go fishing?
At the cut, full job. What?
No!
Why?
That is not.
What's you got full job for?
Nick got full drive.
Nick don't want to take his truck nowhere.
You're right.
Payment princess.
Then you gotta wash it and. You don't mind washing it though.
You like washing your truck.
Harper.
You seen that?
No.
Oh.
Harper.
Well, that sauce is a little spicy.
Would you?
I guess we only have one chip at a time. But if you keep on eating it, then
Yeah, it takes a while for it to. You know. Oh, thanks.
Or wasted.
No,
Chew that
we
one
ate it
taco.
all. We ate it all.
Can't believe it.
Alright, coffee's a little watered down now.
Too cold. Mom life.
You know, sometimes you say things and you really don't mean them. Oh, sitting on taco meat. Now my butt's gonna be greasy. Okay, Harper. Oh, you got boogies on your face again.
What's your chocolate?
She'll be fine. I'll just watch her. Right, do we end it out now?
That's the end of the video.
Alright guys, I appreciate you watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. We love you. Bye.